Hello everyone, Carol here with Everspruce with another tips and tricks video. Today I'm going to show you how to search for items in the Everspruce app. So how do you use the search function in the app? So you log in, you make sure you're on items, and then you press the search function. Then you type in what you're looking for. In this case, I'm going to just say camera. I'm going to type in the word camera. I'm going to press done, and then everything that I have typed in camera in the item name or the description will pop up. Those images will pop up. So I have a few items that I have associated with the word camera, and say I'm looking for my Canon camera right here. So it's going to tell me it's in my master closet in my top drawer. So now I know where this camera is at all times. So the search function is that easy. Another example, let's just say flashlights. You're going camping and you want to know where all your flashlights are. So I type in flashlight, I press done, and then I can see I have 3 different flashlights that I have stored in the Everspruce app. Let's say I click this one, and that one is in my garage in my camping box too. So I know exactly where to go when I want an item. It's that easy. So it takes the time to log in all your items, but the search function will do all the work for you after you have logged all your items in. You can see in my example how powerful and useful the search feature is in the Everspruce app. It keeps all the guesswork, all the frustration out of locating things in your home. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comments below if my tips and tricks videos are helping you use the Everspruce app. Until my next video, happy organizing. Thanks for watching my Everspruce tips and tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.